software to do Gantt chart, control chart and Pareto chart.
Now we are going to see how to do the Gantt chart by using Excel. This is our example, which is website development process. We have process here, start date and days needed, end date and adjusted length. End date a formula which is equal workday bracket B3 comma C3 end bracket. Adjusted length have also formula which is equal bracket D3 minus B3 end bracket. Adjusted length is how many days you need to finish a task. Now we select the started date and change to number. Now we select the process and started date and click Control and adjusted length. Go inside and select the stacked bar. You can choose 2D or 3D. We change the number to date. Go to number and change as chart date. Now we go to chart and select the start date bar and right click format data series. Go to fill and line. In fill, click no fill. In line, click no line. Now the started date bar will not appear in the chart. Now we can see the process is not according to the table. So we right click the process, go to format axis, scroll down and click the categorize in a reverse order. Now the process will according to the table. We can see the date is not according to the table. So we right click the date and format axis and go to axis and bounds and minimum and maximum. Minimum is the date and maximum is end date. So we copy the start date and paste here. And when we copy the end date, we paste here too. Now we right click the date and go to format axis and change as the minimum 45383. In maximum 45499. Now the date changed according to the table. If we want to show adjusted length date in the chart, just right click the adjusted length bar and click add data label. And we delete the legend. Finally, we change our chart title as Gantt chart website development process. This is our final outcome. How to build a control chart by using Excel. We have date here and value. This is the data average. This is the upper control limit and lower control limit. For the data average, we have formula which is equal average bracket. We choose all value here and enter. And this one is standard standard deviation, which is equal SDDEVP bracket C2 and C16. We select all the value here and go to the upper control limit, data average plus data standard deviation. For the lower control limit, data average minus data standard deviation. Now we select the date and value and go to insert and go to line chart and select this. Now double click the date, go to format axis, Scroll down, go to label and change to loop. Now double click the line and form a data series. Go to fill and line, go to marker, click the build in, change a circle and change the size to 7. Now we change the title for control chart. Click the chart and go to add chart element, axis title and go to primary vertical axis. Change as value. Now we fill up the table first average, click equal, select the data average and put the dollar sign and click enter and drag down the data. Now upper control limit, click the equal, select the upper control limit data, put the dollar sign and enter. Now lower control limit, equal and put the dollar sign and drag down. We put the dollar sign to make us easy to drag down the data. Double click the line and add the data value, upper control limit and lower control limit in the chart. Now you can see 3 lines appear in the graph. So now we want to label the line. First right click the line and click add data label. Now you can see a lot of numbers here. So right click again, form a data label and value from cell. Then unvalue. We do the same step for balance to line. Now you can see we already labeled all the lines and our chart is complete. This is the final outcome. Now we're going to see how to do the Pareto chart by using Excel. We have the example which is defect type and total defect. First and foremost, we change the number to descending order. Go home and click sort and click descending and click sort again. And now the number changed to descending order. Now we're going to find total percentage. Equal, select B3, stroke, sum, bracket, click B3 again until B12, close bracket. Put the dollar sign in center and click enter. The number is not in percentage, so we go to general and change to percentage. We drag down the number and now we're going to find cumulative percentage. Equal, Select C3 and enter. Change to percentage. Click equal sum bracket. Select C3 and C4 and bracket. Put the dollar sign in center and enter. Drag down. Now the final percentage is 100. We select the table and go to insert. Select the bar chart. We select this first chart. Now right click the chart. Select data and unclick the total percentage and click OK. Now the total percentage is not appear in chart. Now we right click the cumulative percentage basket. Right click format data series and click secondary data axis. Click the chart and go to insert again and change the chart as combo chart. Choose second. Click the chart and go to add chart element. Go to axis title and click a primary vertical axis. Change as total defect. Click again and go to add chart element. Go to axis title and secondary vertical axis. Change as cumulative percentage. Now finally we change our chart name. Pareto chart shirt effect. This is our final outcome.